happy and you know it. Clap your hands. Do do. ASR. Alright. Alacer Gold Corp. Wow. Alright. Many thanks to stageanalysis.net. He's a trader. US stock screener. Another one from the screener. Alright. And check it out, guys. The monthly candle chart. What goes up must come down. But just like for time-wise, check out time-wise how long that took. That was a nice uptrend that went from early 2010 to month, like almost a year. No, sideways move. Boop. Pull back. Boop. And then more than a pullback. When the lows, when it trendline violations, usually a very good sign that the trend's slowing down. It's not a way to get in or out on a breakout or breakdown, but once you're in, trendline violation, as Stan uses them, very good results. Either you go into stage 3 where it starts to slow down, and you could waste a lot of time there. And all you have to do is just wait for the next continuation breakout or breakdown. That's why he takes half his position on the trendline violations, and the remainder half. I know this is the monthly candle chart, but you can apply stage analysis to any chart. And the remainder half on the previous pullback where you would have moved your sell stop. Remember, price action goes up, pull back, price action goes back up towards previous highs. Move your sell stop right below that low for the traders. And investors a little lower. It's below the 30-week moving average. Goes up, down. Move your sell stop up here. And now you would have taken half of your position out here on the trendline valuation and the other half down here. So it averages pretty much here. So your profit is from there all the way to where you entered. Wow. After it went down, you would have entered, I don't know where. We'd have to look on the weekly chart, but you would have entered close to here, and then you would have went, you would have played this all the way down, close to here, close to the bottom. Pretty sweet, right? That's what really the attraction of Stan Weinstein's stage analysis is. You're there for as long as the trend will permit you, as long as it's strong, as long as it doesn't break the 30-week moving average, doesn't pull back or correct below previous lows, previous pullbacks, which are signs of a reversal or price slowing down, sideways move. All those little details there, all this, they're part of his framework. That's what makes it so great, stage analysis. And here we are today, after this crazy stage 2, crazy stage 4. Now the market has decided, well, what the hell am I going to do here? That's a beautiful, beautiful stage 1. Okay, let's remove all trend lines, and let's do the serious stuff. Where is my monthly defined resistance, breakout line? Monthly defined support, breakdown line. And this is the 347, 350. That's a pretty solid breakout line. And check it out. And what we have here is patterns within patterns. So right now it was tempting the breakdown. And remember, these are monthly candles. Let's explode those. See, patterns within patterns, fractals. And here we have 1, 2, like over a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could count. So right now we actually had a breakout of this bottom right here. Monthly candle breakout confirmed. 12-month base. Breakout. And it's continuing right now, guys. So we already have a confirmation that the price action is going upwards. The target has been reached. So what might happen is we might have some more resistance here. Some more tests, maybe goes down and then up, and then patterns. Giving implied measure moves, reaching their targets, giving bigger patterns, etc. Pretty cool, right? And then would bring you all the way back up here, close to the previous super duper resistance at the 340, and that would make a mega duper duper super duper ultra top big pattern, and would give you approximately lots of there you go, all the way here. So that's how I use my imagination, imagining the possible outcomes. I always try to imagine both scenarios. But right now, that's the scenario I'm imagining. Going upwards, it could easily stop here, and for the next year, go all the way back down here to test, and then go all the way back up. But remember, we're using the monthly candle trend to define the trend that's going to be useful for us on the weekly candle chart. And right now we know that on the monthly, the trend is not going down anymore. It's going sideways and even has started going upwards. All right, guys. Let's go on the weekly. Zoom, 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 zoom. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Dude, remember breakouts on top of breakouts, higher highs, 30 moving. See how it's starting to skew up, and that's what you want, guys. Hold on, these crazy candles on the left of the volume. There we go. I want to get a better view of the volume. So right now we had, I think there was a breakout candle right here. Twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. We would have not gotten here, usually like the first breakout, not the super duper best breakout, because like I said, 3-week moving average is still flat. You're close to it, but essentially there was the first breakout right here, this launching pattern here. But there's the Ichimoku cloud defined resistance, and you still had to go through that. So you had chances of resisting through it, going back down, and then you would have already identified this 230 level where you had this resistance. So you could have said, okay, I'm going to wait for this breakout to resolve, see how the burst is going to go high. It's going to pull back, it's going to consolidate, and then after that we'll see on the second and third continuation breakouts. And that's what you see right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. Some sideways move after you would have been in. Lots of chances to land on emotional landmines. You want to put your money elsewhere. Yeah, you're scared you're going to get triggered out. So those are reasons to make sure you get in when the momentum is really in your favor, to minimize those pullbacks, or make sure they're as healthy as possible in contracting volume. All right, I'm going to remove the Ichimoku cloud because we know we're above the red cloud. There we go. Clean that up. So what do we see here? Remove all trend lines again. Right here. So right now it's breaking out again. Continuation breakout, guys. On the weekly candle chart. Right here. Remember, within 1 to 3 months, usually there's a pullback. Broke out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks later, pull back. Where to pull back to? Close to that now support not resistance, turn support right here, the 232 level. Pull back here. So whenever it goes out, breaks out, and you want to know where's it going to pull back to, well, try to identify what I call a wall, what resistance is now support after being broken out of. Put your alert maybe above it, just like that. So if ever there's price action that goes in, sinks in, gets your attention. And then you get to decide if it was contracting volume, if the pullback is healthy, if it's not a correction, if it closed above the breakdown line, if you want additional confirmation. Do you have a green candle following those red, green to confirm that was the lull of the pullback? It's up to you. All those clues are available. And after that, or you could say, I'm not going to play pullback. I'll just wait for the continuation breakout. Enter here. Sell stop down here. And off you go, guys. Check it out. Whoa. Volume. Remember? Volume here for the initial breakout. This candle. Contracting volume. And this is Thursday, guys. So Friday, there's one more day worth of, and it's definitely going to be twice the average already. I think it's twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. So for ASR, guys, this is a definite classic stand stage 2 continuation breakout right there. And it's perfect timing for you guys. You have the monthly candle trend confirmed. And now you have the pullback on contracting volume. You have the important volume on those breakout candles. This is it, guys. All right. Cool one, ASR. I'm going to wait for tomorrow's close and see what I do with this. All right. Ciao. Do 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 do.